All right, how can you get more money for your house? What can you do? What simple things can you do to fix up the value of it and to get more cash in your pocket? Let's chat about it. So I'm here in the Banff Rockies, Rocky Mountain, Canada place area. Boom, you can see this here. There's a little house back there. And we're just out for a walk and it's cold. But I mean, you know what it's like to be cold in Cincinnati as well. It's cold in the wintertime. But it's gonna be great. It's a great time to film a video and a great place to be while filming it. So how can you make more money from your house? Now, a really important thing is cleanliness. And I know we've talked about this before. I know it's kind of obvious, but it needs to be said again. You can make a lot more money and you can sell your house quicker if your house isn't a complete whirlwind of stuff. Now, I know for some of you that's tough because you like to hold on to your stuff, and that's fair. I got stuff that I like to hold on to that I don't want to throw out. But the fact is the messier the house, the harder it is to sell it. It's just the way it goes. So if you've got a couple options. A, you can start throwing stuff out. B, start selling stuff. C, you can get a storage unit, place it there. Or D, all of the above. You keep some stuff, throw some stuff out, and sell some stuff, and put some stuff in the storage unit. That was 3 or 4. Anyway, not the point. Back to the point. Yeah, so you need to clean your house up, and what we do is we come in and we buy it, and you can kind of leave everything there, and we'll handle it, or we'll throw it out, or you can clean it out, and that's great too. But the reason that you clean it out is just people don't like walking into a messy house. Even investors who are buying your property, they prefer to see a house that is clean, and it helps them kind of get a better vision for what the house could be like down the future. Now, you may be moving on from this house, and that's great. But someone else is going to be coming in and living in it, and they kind of want to add their own flair to it. So whether that's just moving in their furniture, or that might be fixing it up and kind of revamping the place to fit their style, it's important that you kind of get that, you know that that's what they're going to do, so that way you can kind of cater to that, and you're able to clean it up so that they can come in and see it as they want to see it, and increase your odds of selling the house quickly. Whew. That's a long sentence. I think it's higher altitude up here, so I'm running out of breath. I gotta do more cardio. Look at this river. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there it is. Cool. Yeah, so it's super simple. Like even like a wipe down of the counters, cleaning of the bathroom, decluttering your bathroom a little bit, throwing some stuff out, maybe throwing out those half-empty bottles of toothpaste that you don't use, or cleaning out the drawers, maybe doing a quick scrub of the toilet. Washing the walls. Mr. Clean makes little magic erasers that do wonders for your walls. I've actually had to use them myself. Walls get dirty, doors get dirty somehow. I don't know how this happens, but they do. And the easiest solution is to clean them. And those magic erasers work great. I think they come in like a 2 or a 4 pack, and they're pretty cheap. So I'd recommend using those for that. So those are kind of some, like a quick tip on just cleaning your house, making it a little more clean, and decluttering a little bit. So as I show you this castle in the background, where is it? Can't even see it. It's there somewhere. Anyway, as I keep walking, subscribe to our YouTube channel. The button's below. You can subscribe. We got new videos coming every week, new tips on selling your house, 6-day cash buyers, and I know you'll learn a lot. And if you are in the process of selling your home and you want us to give you a fair cash offer, and like it takes like 15 minutes, maybe maximum, maybe even quicker, give us a call. We're here. Shoot us an email. We'd love to help. And if we can't help, we'd love to send you in the direction of someone who can help. So thanks so much for watching as I walk through this winter wonderland. It's almost Christmas time here. Well, I say almost. It's not even Thanksgiving yet in the United States. So I guess I can't say that. You guys would get really mad at me for saying that. So it's not almost Christmas. It's almost Thanksgiving. But then it will be almost Christmas time and we'll be ready to go. Okay. I've ranted a little too long. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.